Alright guys, good afternoon guys. Kung ako lang guys, first time lang ako nakapunta dito. My first time I came here to pass by this park. Because you know what happened today guys, I'm going to the applying because this November is election. That's why I'm applying to house to house. Guys, dun sa guys. Ang daming gatla dito guys. Ngayon ko lang guys nakita, napakarami palang kalapati, isalat, pigeon, duck, displays, and we have also the black I don't know what kind of fish that bird that one guys. See, if I see the tilapia there, this place, I try fishing. See, look, and this lake also guys, but I don't know this is a lake boss. Why do you have the fountain? What it was fountain water, right? And by the way guys, I want to walk in this side. I want to see the lot pigeon there. It's the like under the pigeon. Difference I only sticking the video, but this time it's a lot guys. See, look, and the duck also there. Then sleeping swamp. But if I great. Okay guys, see, look, the pigeon is very little. Okay guys. Abang tayo mas matindi ang ibon ng pigeon dito mas grabe pala dito. Kaya ngayon ko lang nakita. See, duck. That is tinggi produk sa dapat pupuk daw. I want to give him some food. Then I thinking what is the thing. Right? Islam ano? Guys. Wow. Rather relax. They have this one. They call like side guys. You know. Okay, umalis kayo ang ayaw kumain. I-continuous lang guys. Ang nandito kasi kukuha ko ng tinapay, may tinapay kong baon, i-share ko sa kanila para magkagulusan doon. Malawak din pala to guys. First time ko nakarating dito guys. Okay, kaya magbigay tayo ng pagkain dito sa kanila. Tinapay natin, itong bigyan natin. Ayan na. Bakbak na. Ayan na. Ayan na guys. Puta mas marami pito mar. Grabe daming lang nito. Wow. Yung sa kabila din doon, may anong din doon. Pero ito lang guys, kinunan ko. Ganun nga ang trabaho natin dito ngayon guys. Feeding the pigeon, sometimes playing basketball. Ang dami na guys. Ngayon lang ko punta dito, mas gwapo pala dito. Ha? Ano? Tragis siya. Tapos lang medyo malayo lang. Malayo lang sa ano. Oh, ayan may bata na oh. Kasi lang ang upuan, hindi ka makupo dahil ay puta, nitain na pala yung ano ko. Yung mga upuan, yung mga pupo, ano na. Ano? Kaya see? Ayun isa oh. Yeah, you catch one. And you can make adobo. Yeah. Oh, you have a cute baby boy. Yeah. You believe to Grandpa. See? Sa atin ito. Bernard, tanaw siya tao bro.
In a quarter mile, turn left to stay on Lakeside.
Yeah, I know you. Yung Google ko sa mapa ko guys. Hindi ako mawala. Hindi na ito lagi makalipat guys. Ito, 1, 2. Umungain na eh. Yan o. Ang problema ko guys, hindi ako nakabili ng ano, tinapay. Yung bata to no. Tignan nyo naman ang lalaki ng mag-ibon dito. Yeah. What I'm short guys. Yeah. Guys, uwi na ako. Sige, sige sa mo na madala ko sa bahay.